Good morning, good morning, good morning. That is my coffee. Waiting for my hash browns to finish. Y'all, today is snow day in New York City. Looks like, why is this on? This is what it's looking like. And this is the back of my building. So this is my view in wonderful New York City. That's all I get to see. That's why I gotta go. I'm sick of seeing another building. Let me see some nature, some trees, some bush, some something. But yeah, so we're like snowed in, and the mayor put us in a state of emergency. So the only cars that are allowed to be on the road are essential workers. And yeah, hubby is at work. We have food, we have water, we have juice, not for me, for them. We have food. Oh, I said food already, right? Yeah, so we have electricity, we have hot water, we have running water, because you see, I told y'all the last time, the water just completely cut out. I couldn't even imagine right now, no water, can't flush or anything. My ass would be trooping it to Staten Island. Unless my dad, because this is a blizzard. This is a blizzard, so probably I would call my dad to come and pick me up. That would probably be the safest decision if that was the case. But other than that, we're fine. And what I am upset about is, y'all not gonna believe. I know y'all see me buy a lot of things on this channel. Your girl don't have no boots. Now I have boots, but I don't have no snow boots and weather boots, like rain boots. And for so long I was telling Greg, like, oh, I want to get the moon boots. I think I want to get the moon boots. This is the perfect weather for it, and the tall ones at that, because the snow is pretty. The inches are extremely growing. So I don't have no boots. I don't know. Just thinking about it, I don't know. There's no school also, by the way. School is out. Today is Monday. I believe that school will also be out tomorrow. Even if it's not, I'm not sending her, because who's trooping it through the snow? You gotta remember, in New York, don't think that they are cleaning all of the streets in New York City, because they're not. They're cleaning the main roads: 14th Street, 42nd Street, 59th Street, 96th Street, 125th Street, 116th. Like, there's certain areas that they're making sure is, good to go. And I'm not mad at that, because buses and stuff have to, go up and down those roads. But for me to walk from my house to Royalty School from here through this, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. And not saying it can't be done, but y'all, I don't got no boots. What was I can't even say, let me go on Amazon right now and order a pair of boots. They ain't gonna be here tomorrow. It's like, oh, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm not happy at all about that. Waiting for my hash browns to finish. I probably most likely will do Royalty's hair today, or at least taking it out and rebraiding. And I'm gonna do something to her hair, because I don't know how long she thinks she's gonna keep those boho braids, or whatever she calls them. I forgot what she called them, but it's a singer that had them, and she wanted them. The braids with the curls. but it's over now. So, and remember, it just snowed. Like, about, what was that? Was that like 2 weeks ago? A week and a half? No, like 2 weeks ago. It snowed. And here we are again. So, we've never got snow back to back like this before. I need to go to the news and see what is going on. But I hope you guys are having the day you deserve. Today's a new day. Thank God we woke up in our right state of mind. If you are watching this, kindness is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Be kind today. Royalty was crying. That girl wanted virtual learning. She was not playing. She was like, I can't. There's no virtual learning. I was like, I'm sorry, boo-boo. Okay, my man got his snow shoes on. His snows, they are sled shoes. That's funny. Oh, yeah, so what I was going to say, the other thing is that, now I'm not saying that everywhere in New York City, you know, you might not want to step in certain areas of the snow. Because where they at right now, this is Prospect Heights, Brooklyn, inside the park. And some people is in Central Park. But I'm talking about the city, right? Okay, so like the area where I live, right? It's a lot of dogs. And people just allow their dogs to doo-doo any and everywhere. And if I was on my tiptoes walking around a bunch of doo-doo just to get home, especially yesterday, that doo-doo is still there. It's just snow on top of it. That's a problem for me. I'm sorry. That is a problem. Where my husband is at is beautiful. I'm going to put a picture right here so you guys can see. It is so beautiful. And it's so much snow. I wish I was there. But, yeah. So if you are in New York City and you're watching from New York, make sure you're being safe. Make sure you're staying warm. If you want to go outside for a little fun, I understand. I know Royalty is definitely going to want to go outside. Like I said, I don't have no boots. My husband has a pair of boots here. I think I'm going to put them on. They don't fit me, but listen, I got to do what I got to do. He also don't wear like a size 11, 12. So they're not like extremely big. But I'm going to put them on. And that's what we're going to go outside in. So Miss Royalty is up now. I finished my breakfast. She finished having her fruits and breakfast. Right, boo-boo?
Mom, you want a cracker?
So we're about to, she just took a shower and freshened up. And we're about to, she got this for her birthday. It's a DIY charm jewelry that you create. It's called Wishcraft. I love that. And yeah, so she's about to make some jewelry. We about to make some jewelry. And once we're done, I guess like around, because it says we can't go outside till 12, it's 11:50. But once we're done, then we're gonna go outside and see what the storm is heading for. And yeah, so I'll let y'all see the jewelry once we are finished. Mama. Okay, so we basically had to mold. That's Royalty. She looks so cute. She put some stones on her. She put some on me.
And look, y'all.
Oh, yeah. It's cute. So, yeah. So, we basically had to mold these, which are basically these.
Why do we have to mold?
You look so pretty. I like your hair out of your face because you can see your whole face. Y'all, every time she wears her hair down, it's like covering her face because the hair, the curls are everywhere. But look how beautiful. Let me see. Look at my baby. She's giving me some.
Pretend you're getting ear pierced.
Okay. Ow! Is it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
half of your ears.
Okay. That's cute. I gotta do the other one.
Stay calm. Stay calm. Like.
Okay, we're good to go.
Oh wait.
I don't need no more.
You gotta be a big. You gotta be a bad.
This girl here. Okay, that's it. All right, that's it.
Oh.
That's it. That's it. So we are stoned out girlies now.
By the way, this is not a real piercing. This
Yes.
is fake. All of this is fake on my ear.
We are just pretending and playing with jewelry and charms and stickers and
y'all, look. This.
oh yeah, so after you finish molding, you could paint your stuff and then you could put like those stones and
What?
yeah, what? Look, one of them that's to you know that's for the clay. Yeah, she's too much, so now she doing nails. Royalty
What
is
you
funny.
want?
All right, so I'm about to get dressed. Royalty's already dressed.
What you
And
want?
we about to go downstairs.
What you want? What you know?
The first time I put them on, everything looked sharper, clearer, brighter. I could focus longer too. No more
What
All
color?
right, y'all. See you
What
downstairs
color?
now. We see already.
No.
Urine.
No. Why can't I?
Oh wow.
This is beautiful, right?
All over again.
Beautiful, right? Beautiful.
Look at the trees. They look so beautiful.
I love y'all.
Oh my goodness. It looks so beautiful.
Come on, let's go.
Oh wow. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Girl. No, get up.
Like, bro. Look how deep this is.
All right, don't do that. Look, dirty. You ain't see that dirt? It could be doodle there. Get up.
Help me.
Go like that. With the yeah. Come on, this way.
Way.
No, it's a lot of doodle on this block. Come on.
That's not nice.
Ooh. You think we can make it around the block? Just look down, boo boo.
My eyes keep flickering. Wanna go under there?
You need a break? Go ahead. Well, right here. Go under there. Should have bought the shades, right? The glasses.
You thought it was a good day? It's freezing.
Oh,
It's freezing, y'all.
it is cold, but ew, dirty. See?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. This is for my mom's subscribers.
I have on husband's boots. I told you I didn't have no boots. That don't make no sense.
Oh. Oh. That hurts. So, really do this to me? Oh wait, whoa, boom! That's what you did, Snow.
I can't. Walking around the corner or not?
Hold on.
You think you can make it?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Hold on. This is the
Ew, look. It's pee there. That's why I tell you, stop. What's wrong with this girl? Ooh. Can you make it around the corner or no?
I think I can.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Wait, I think I can. Girls never give up.
You hear that, baby? Girls never give up.
Mama,
Ooh.
got some snow in your mouth?
Go, boo-boo. Turn around.
Mama, you want to go to the grocery store?
No, I don't.
I want to get something.
No, well, I didn't bring my wallet. I didn't bring my bag. I didn't bring anything. Come on, this way. She want to get something. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. We are taking like a mini break. Underneath, I don't know what this is. But we are taking a moment.
Karate chop.
Oh no.
Boom.
Why?
Because I'm
You
scared from
you
the
fall.
But that would be cool if I fell.
So,
It's clean. This snow is clean. Can I eat it?
no.
No.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
It's closed.
Rub it on there.
I'm cleaning it.
Oh, y'all, it's so beautiful. It does. You know what looks pretty? The trees look pretty.
It's
Pretty. All of that.
Y'all look. You want some soap?
I can't. You ready to start walking again? Huh?
Wait, hold on.
All right, we'll wait till he passes. And then we'll start walking. Okay, come on.
I ate chicken.
Take time. Husband's boots is some justice. Oh, Royce, go in front of me. Aw, damn it. Come. Get.
You scared of
Go.
that.
Take your time.
Okay.
Get. Take time.
Oh.
Ugh.
Hold on, Mama. I'm gonna clean the keys. Oh.
Go ahead. Go ahead. And be careful, somebody. Oh, whoa, that's a big one. Don't.
Oh.
It was too heavy to carry. Whoa.
Come on.
Throw it. Go ahead.
Oh,
All right, go ahead.
I can take this.
All right, go. Walk. Take your time.
That was big, right?
Yeah, it was. It definitely was. Ooh. Yeah.
I'm in a chili.
No.
I'm ready to eat it. Look, it's clean.
No. Definitely not. She want to eat snow so bad. You need to go where Daddy's job is at. Eat all the snow you want. Oh, part 2. Oh yeah, it's cold.
Look at your hair.
Oh wow.
It's mine.
No, because
My
you're
face?
covered. Your face looks wet and cold. That's garbage. This is garbage, Royalty. Get off. Get off. That's garbage. All garbage here. It's just on top of it. Is it? Yep, and dirty.
Oh, I see it. It's black.
Oh, wait. Come. Give me your hand. Come on. Doggy wanted to smell us. My baby is getting so big and she's so mature and she is just so healthy. She is in the kitchen and cleaning out the sink, right, Poo Poo? She took the bar. She took the bar out. That's Grandma calling. She took the bar out of the sink so that she could clean up right here. Thank you, baby. Good life skill. And she is 7 years old. I'm always so proud. She's getting big. All right. I'm loving these gems my baby put on me. So, yes, this is hours later. Royalty put this stone on my nose, and I actually like it because y'all know that I've been wanting my nose pierced for so long. But I am so afraid of it getting infected or something going wrong, and it just affects my nose. Your nose is your face. I'm sorry, it is. So that's why I wear false piercings. So I usually wear the little clip-on ones. But this is a little sticker stud that she put on my nose. And I was like, oh, this is kind of cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Anywho, this is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to say that I'm over this storm. I'm over this weather. Tomorrow is, the mayor did say school will be back tomorrow. Which is Tuesday. Yeah, you hear Royalty. I don't think I'm going to send my kids tomorrow because they need to really clean up the streets. Like, really clean it up. So, I don't think I'm going to send them tomorrow. But Wednesday, we'll see how it goes. Thursday, me and Royalty supposed to go to Slow-Mo. God willing. Thursday. If they're open, because the storm did it's just a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow and people have to, you know, clean up their business, clean up in front of their businesses. So if it's open, we will go on Thursday. If it is not open, then we will go on Monday. But also on Friday, I will be going out with my husband on a date. I was trying to figure out what I should wear. That's what I was doing tonight. And decisions. I tell you, when you're younger, you throwing anything and make it hot. Like, now we be so worried. Like, oh gosh, my gut, this, my legs, my thighs. My thighs have cellulite. There is nothing I could do about that. Like, that's just what it is. If I want it to look smooth, then I'll wear stockings. But my thighs do have cellulite. To me, it is very noticeable. I guess for somebody else, maybe they would have to be paying close attention. I don't really know, but it's my body. I notice it. It's not that huge of a deal because I'm still going to either wear shorts or a dress. I'm leaning more so to the dress and like some high boots. And my Prada bag, my fur, my Prada shades. I'm probably going to wear Moschino perfume. my jewelry, my makeup. Your girl is gonna be, listen, top tier. As I always am when I step out. This day-to-day mom attire, this is nothing. But when I step out right, okay? So, yes. So we just finished eating leftovers of brown stew chicken. I'm sitting here watching YouTube. And I watched this RV family called Try Something New. They are bomb. I just got put on to another new couple. What's their page called? I think We Are something. It's called We Are Something. But yeah, so I like to watch a lot of different things on YouTube that are motivating, that are uplifting, and I'm trying to get into the mindset of even if I'm scared, do it scared, no matter what it is. So let that be a little motivation to you. Even if you are scared, do it scared. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't y'all love me for the consistency? I'm so proud of myself. I'm just like putting the vlogs out there. The content is just like, it keeps coming and keep coming and keep coming and keep coming. I am very, very proud of myself. So stay tuned to the next vlog, probably within 2 days or so. So I will talk to y'all in the next vlog. I love y'all.
My